Time for some more Mantis hijinks. Hello, little guy. How are you doing? You are such a cutie. And guess what? We found your big cousin today. Yep. Come on, me over here. And we will see your big cousin before they go away. Oh, look at that. They're even checking us out for the camera. Yes, they are. Where you at, big guy? She's very pretty. Hello, how are you doing? You're a very pretty girl. Yes, you are. Would you like to come say hello? I hope you enjoyed the rain earlier. It's pretty nice out, huh? You find yourself a nice meal today. Too bad you couldn't make it over here. There's a grasshopper that is just waiting. It's a very cute specimen of grasshopper, though. We're gonna go take a look at him. Yep, surprise appearance by a neighborhood grasshopper. Gnawing away on a leaf. There we go. She's pretty big. Look at her go. Hi. I hope you don't mind if we record a little bit. You're such a cutie. Uh-oh. She may not like us. We're not trying to intrude on your meal, ma'am. You're a star, though. How's that sound? Yes, you are. You're a very cute girl. Oh, it's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you, Pepper. I'm not gonna hurt you. You go ahead and enjoy your meal. We're gonna go back over here and look at Miss Mantis. Hopefully she won't come visit you, because she'll eat you. Yes, we'll look back at Miss Mantis. She is a cutie. Here, girl. There's a grasshopper waiting to reach you up here. Yeah, that's what it's like in the animal kingdom. Oh yeah. That's what mantises do, they try and stay still. But you can see, she's looking around, she's looking right at us. She knows we're here. We're probably not a potential meal because we're huge, but if she was a little bit bigger, she'd probably be looking at us with some, you know, with some tasty ideas. If you ever encounter these guys in the wild, they're an endangered species. And they are very, very friendly and useful for the environment. They pretty much every insect, including each other, are on the menu. and even anything that they can pretty much catch in those powerful arms of theirs. Very beautiful creatures. Alright, I'm gonna go. You have yourself a nice grasshopper or whatever it is you catch. I know you're gonna catch something. They have a very, very ravenous appetite. So it's the other reason why we're lucky we're not on the menu. Alright, we're gonna go say hello to the little guy one more time. Hey little guy. How you doing? Yep. It's not quite a candid camera, but hey, it works. Hello. Yeah. I hope I'm as interesting to you as you are to all of us. Yeah, you're a cutie. Yeah, he just saw you coming too.
No, I don't have my glasses on. I can't
Alright, I'm gonna say goodbye.
take a picture and show
I hope everybody enjoyed more Mantis fun. Bye bye. Till next time.